Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So in this video I will share with you a very unique project. So in 2026, if you're wasting your time for scrolling videos and another activity, so this project gives you a very good source of income. Just you can watch this video and learn about this project, how it's work and how you can benefits, and it's also help you to transfer money physically or virtually. So must follow the video and be the member of this project. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meeting next video. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the website was open. MyPal is the name of this project, and it's a very unique project, and you can send directly money to your family or friends by Gcash or DNA wallet. And you have a multiple opportunity. If you have a freelancer or a drop shipper, you can send USD or transfer your money instantly. So this project gives you many benefits. Or if you hold USDT, so it's also helps you to hold USDT, and you can withdraw your USDT in digital wallet and also physically in all around the world. So I will tell you how projects work, how you can be the member of this project, and how you can transfer your money fastly across the border, and simply you can get benefits from these remittance. So as you can see on screen, MyPal was available on screen, and it's also available in the description of the video. Simply you can go and then join it. Multi-currency digital card, fast settlement, secure and compliant. Sorry. So must join it. And you can see our services was also available. The projects give you a virtual card, physical card, and international remittance. So these three things was available in a single project, and these services gives you many benefits, like it's consume your time. You can transfer money easily or directly transfer money from which person you want to send. So first of all, you can see virtual card detail. You can activate it on Apple Card and support USDT. Physical card was also available. You can make withdrawal your money in all around the world. The money will in the form of USDT, cryptocurrencies, and which currency you have in your wallet. Simply you can go and withdraw your money. So it's a very easy thing for you, and it's totally free services the projects give you, and you can get benefit from these services. Now you can see international remittance. You can transfer your money across the border with low fees, and multiple countries was linked with this project, and you can transfer USD, euro, and multiple currencies internationally. So these are the main purpose of this project, and the services the projects give you. Then you can see the trusted by user worldwide. You can see on screen global users and multiple details on screen, and you can see use cases was also available. So must join it. You can see a cross border shop, subscription, ATM card withdrawal option was also supported. And then we can scroll down. You can spend money on ads, gaming, entertainment, travel spending, and you can easily transfer your money in your sitting in your home, and where you are you can easily transfer money and buy each and everything, or pay rents, and multiple tasking you can do from this single platform. Then you can see FAQ option was also available. You, if you have any issue about this project, you have an FAQ option. And then you can see application was also available. I will tell you how you can generate your account and be the member of this project. You can see new information was also available about USDT, and the project detail was also sharing on screen. So now I will tell you about MyPay card options. You can see MyPay digital payment card option was available. Online consumption and offline payment in 180 plus countries around the world. Provide virtual card, physical card, and card insurance services, and fast card insurance, multi-currency support, safe and convenient. So these services this card will gives you, and it's a very good opportunity for you. Must avail them. And you can see the card feature was also showing on screen. You can withdraw your money all around the world. Simply complete your KYC. You can recharge your account with USDT, TRC20 or BAP20, multiple links, and low risk and high opportunities for you. So must join it. You can see virtual card and physical card detail was also available. Must read it. support senses are also available. Multiple tasking you can do from these card, and pay your bills, make transaction, traveling bills, home delivery bills, and multiple thing you can do from this card. And it was a easy method to spend money or exchange currency, so it's a good opportunity for you. So these are the main purpose of this project. And then you can see partner services was also available. You can see on screen for enterprise, merchant, and channels. The services was available. Simply you can contact with email and get these services. And I will also tell about the about section of this project. You can see the team and social media detail and many more things. Hopefully you will understand how its projects. And my card international remittance option was also available. You can see American remittance account was 500, and you can easily spend your money 24/7 online remittance to all part of the world. You can see on screen, and multiple services the projects give you. You can see the channels which was linked with this project. And the project support multiple wallets. You can transfer your money and easily send your money, and pay your bills, recharge your account, and multiple tasks you can do from this single platform. So hopefully you will understand how projects work and how you can get benefits. So now we can go to the registration method, and I will tell you about how you can create your account and be the member of this project. So simply we can go to the mobile screen, and then I will tell you how you can create account and how this projects will work. So simply we can go to the mobile screen. So friend, as you can see on screen, MyPal interface of application was showing on screen. You can simply create your account. You can see top up 10 and enjoy 15. The card offer was also available. You can see virtual card, physical card, both option was available. Free shipping and multiple opportunities for you. And you can see now registration method was also showing on screen. Simple, enter your email, confirm your email, set password, enter again password, and simply check it and get 5 U in this platform, getting you a bonus, and also your account will be created. So it's a very easy method to create your account. Hopefully you will understand how you can create your account. Then we can go to the platform interface, and I will tell you many more detail about this project. So friend, as you can see, the platform was showing on screen multiple opportunity the projects will give you. Simply you have an opportunity to open on desktop, or you can access in your mobile phone. It's up to you, but this project gives you many good facilities. You can see your wallet detail was showing on screen, and then you see your card details. Simply click on a card option. You can simply see first you complete your KYC, then deposit your amount, and then you can apply for a card. So it's a very three simple steps, and you can get the card, and it's totally free. I will already tell you this card was available physically, and virtual card both was available. You can simply see the detail, and the transaction fees is maximum limited. Each and everything was showing on screen, and you can easily access with digital wallets like PayPal, Google Pay, Amazon, and advancement like Google Ads, TikTok, and multiple opportunities the projects will give you. And the card will link with these platform and give you easy access to send or receiving payment. So it's a good opportunity for you to make financial freedom and make transaction easy. So these are the main opportunity. Hopefully you will understand how cards work and how it's give you many more benefits. So must join it. And it's a very simple method to apply for a card. Simply you can click on apply option, then you can complete your verification, and then proceed it, and the card will be received on your place, and it's totally free for you. So these are the main benefits of this card. Hopefully you will understand how you can get benefit from this virtual and physical card. And then we can go to the next option. It's a transfer option. You can see you can transfer money from Europe countries, Asian countries, and multiple opportunities was available. As you can see on screen, 180 plus countries was supported, and you can instantly send your amount and remitted bank account easily. You can send your money, and you can see web3 global local remittance was also option available. You can pay your rent and send salary and multiple things the projects give you, and these opportunities consume your time, and you can make your transaction fastly and easily in anywhere. So these are the main benefit of this project. Hopefully you will understand. And it support 40 plus wallets. It's a very unique thing, and support 200 plus cryptocurrencies. So you can easily participate in it and transfer your money, and also you can run your e-commerce store or e-wallets, because they also support e-commerce, support transactions and wallets. So it's also beneficial for you. So must join it, be the member of this project. It also give you a referral commission. Simply you can invite your friend and get a referral commission. As you can see on screen, 60% commission plus 10% referral commission. As you can see on screen, levels was also available. You can grow your level and increase your commission level, so you can get more commission. So it's your referral link or referral code. Simply send to your friend and make account from your reference, and also earn money from referral commission. So it's also a very good opportunity for you to earn more money. So hopefully you will understand how projects work and how you can get benefits. Now we can go to the account option. You can see account details and many more things. You have also an option of customer services. If you face some issue, so you can here go here, and help center option was also available. So must join it, and you have an opportunity to download the application of this project. You can see it's available on Google Play, App Store, Android, and multiple platform. You can simply click to view, touch on it, and you can simply install the app and get easy access to send and receive your money. And the card gives you an opportunity. You can go anywhere in the world and withdraw your cash, and it's also give you a virtual card. You can spend money online and send money from wallet to wallet easily. So it's a very unique thing and easy thing for you to make these benefit from this platform. So hopefully you will understand how it's work, and now I will tell you how you can recharge it. Simply click on top up option. You can see the deposit option, and you can deposit your money with USDT. Address was showing on screen. Simply copy it, and TRC20 and BP20 both address was available, and you can simply deposit your amount from this address. And it's a very simple and easy method to enter your money in this wallet. So hopefully you will understand how you can deposit your money. Then I will tell you about the withdrawal method. Simply click on withdraw option. You can withdraw in USDT TRC20 and BP20 both option was available. Simply enter your amount, enter withdrawal amount, enter fund, and then verify your email, and you can simply make withdraw. And the minimum amount of withdraw is 10 USDT. So it's a very easy method for you to make deposit or make withdraw from this platform. Hopefully you will understand how it's work, and how you can enter your money and withdraw your money. And it's give you also an option to exchange your money without any fees. You can see on screen, you can exchange your money in USDT to USD, and USDT to USD. So it's a very unique thing for you and easy process to exchange your money. So hopefully you will understand how it's work, because USD is the coin the projects will give you. You can easily exchange it into USDT and get withdraw from this platform. So these are the main detail. Hopefully you will understand how projects work and the main benefits of this project. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.